Got the truck loaded up. Got the truck to go cover. Wrapped up. Ready to go. All ready. Can't wait till the morning. Peace.
I will rise from the ashes. I will not fall. Brick by brick, I tear down these walls. You can take my body, but not my faith. Oh God, I cannot wait. Burn it down. Burn it down.
Well, 4:30 a.m. Got about an hour drive to get up to Ashtabula. I'm excited. There's gonna be a lot of birds at this place. I saw 3 gobblers on trail camera yesterday morning. I got the Moultrie out, and you know, when the camera does the homework for you at 6:45-ish, 3 times in front. So hopefully that replays out this morning and ends with a magnificent harvest, and I can call it a season and get back to business and get some things taken care of. You know, as I go out this morning, I think about hunting and what it means to me. And you know, hunting was one of the things that my dad took me to do. And this coming week, my dad's having a kidney removed for having kidney cancer. So, you know, as I'm going, I'm hunting, I'm having fun. I'm thinking about what's in front of me, and I'm sure my dad's probably up right now thinking about it too, since he's a morning bird. But we're gonna grab some GoPro batteries and we're gonna hit it. Gonna get set up in this tree. See what happens. Birds stop their gobbling. So I got a Moultrie camera all the way over there in that tree. These birds walk past here at 6:45. There's a raccoon. What do I get for a raccoon? how did I know to hunt this spot? I'm gonna show you right here. Right here, I'm gonna show you how I knew to hunt this spot. This is how I knew. Right here. That right there, that Moultrie trail camera saved me gas money, saved me time, told me the birds were here, and here I am with my Ohio bird down, tagged out for the season. God is so good.
Featuring set technology. Elite bows are known for their extreme ease of use, smooth draw with solid back wall, comfortable grip and accuracy, while the legendary lifetime warranty with Hunt Guarantee extends ultimate confidence when it's needed most. Experience the world's most shootable bow by taking the Shootability Challenge and demo the 2021 Encore and Remedy at an elite retailer today.
Well, here we are, May 13th, Ashtabula County, and the Lord blessed me this morning for sure. The old Moultrie told me what to do, and I got in here, got set up, and the rest is history. Now, I get to tote him back to the truck. That's the fun part. Thank you, Lord. Great memories. Ooh, his beak got blasted. Your beak don't look so good, bruh. Time for the hour drive home. Looking for my keys because I don't remember where I put them at.